If you're wondering how to create a travel request in Navan, you've come to the right place. This video will walk you through the process step by step, showing you just how easy it is to manage your travel requests in Navan. Stick around till the end, because we'll also share an exclusive extended free trial for the software. Now, to get started with creating a travel request in Navan, you first need to log into your Navan account. If you're new to Navan, it's a powerful travel management platform designed to streamline business travel booking and expense management. But let's focus on how you can create a request right now. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, the first step is to locate the Create Travel Request button, usually at the top of the screen. Clicking on it will open up the travel request form where you'll enter details about your trip. Now, you'll need to input your destination and travel dates. It's super straightforward. Just type in the location and the dates you plan to depart and return. Be sure to check the calendar for any restrictions or policies that may apply to your trip, as Navan integrates with your company's travel policy. Next, you'll need to specify your preferred flight class, and if applicable, any special preferences you may have for your accommodation or transportation. Navan's platform allows you to filter results based on your company's guidelines, ensuring you book within approved categories, which is a huge time saver. Once you've entered all the necessary details, Navan will show you available options for flights, hotels, and car rentals. You can review the list and choose your preferred options. If you need to make changes, Navan allows you to easily adjust the filters or add notes for your manager's review. After selecting your travel options, you'll have the chance to review your entire request. This step is crucial as it allows you to double-check all the information before submitting. You'll also be able to add any additional comments, such as special requests or specific travel preferences, to ensure everything is tailored to your needs. Once you're happy with your selections, simply hit Submit. Your request will then be sent to the appropriate team or manager for approval. With Navan, everything happens seamlessly, and you'll be notified when your travel request is approved or if any changes are needed. Now, here's a little tip. One of the great features of Navan is the integration with your organization's travel policy. If a requested option falls outside your approved guidelines, you'll receive a prompt to modify it before submission. This ensures you're staying compliant without having to manually check everything yourself. To wrap things up, once your travel request is approved, Navan will automatically create an itinerary for you. You can access it anytime and make modifications if necessary, ensuring your trip goes smoothly from start to finish. Before I go, don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial of Navan through the first link in the description below. You'll get full access to explore all the powerful features of Navan completely free, giving you the perfect opportunity to experience the software yourself. Remember, creating a travel request in Navan is that simple. A few clicks and you're good to go. Stay organized, save time, and keep everything in one easy-to-manage platform. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out the link below for your exclusive trial.